morning from London, England. Today we're there, and it there and I cold. And in I cold.
Yes, hi guys. Actually, when I came, it was very colder than this. So now it's kind of warm. What they'll call warm.
So
Still cold for me.
But
it's bearable now. It's bearable now. So we're going on the road.
We're going to Peckham.
Peckham.
We're going to Peckham.
Right.
Go do 1 and 2.
So if you look at the background, you'll see the trees. Still winter, so no leaves.
See the black and flat there, man. Yeah, no leaf. Why the place not cold, honey?
Not cold. Looks cold, but it's not.
When we just come the other day,
it was colder. Yeah. So I'm here, 2 weeks?
2 weeks?
Roughly. Not really, but almost.
So like how you used to talk about say England always wet and England
wet and
cold.
Cold and look boring and
everybody have it say England rain always a fall in England and the place cold. And then this England, this and that.
Well, London is different. That's why.
So what you say to yourself, what you say now?
It's nicer than what I thought. It's nicer. Nice. The weather's not all that bad.
But the other day when you come here, that complain though.
Yes. Last week we went to Birmingham to meet up with my son. Down there was colder because maybe it's a country area.
Yeah, it's a country.
So it's colder. So I can just imagine they're still cold today, but it's a little bit warmer here. Enjoy myself so far.
The cold time finished now.
Finish, still cold.
Yeah. Cold time finished. So we are going to Peckham now. What?
Do we not late? Well, what's your appointment?
What time? That take about 5 minutes walking, reaching Peckham.
Really?
Yeah.
Baby, who are? I put that bus.
Go foot it. I know far we are going.
What you call not far?
About 5 minutes walk.
When you are gonna walk?
5 minutes walk, 10 minutes if we run.
Well, when I am walking, it takes longer. When Dwight is walking, it's 5 minutes.
It's only here and you stop.
To me,
Alright.
To me, I can't walk as fast as him. My legs are shorter.
Alright. So guys, we're going to Peckham now. We're reaching Peckham.
Yeah.
Back out the video again.
To show you what a little piece of Peckham is like.
Alright.
Peckham.
You like that?
Yeah. That's 4.
Yeah, fit, yeah? This one black one, this one going on like to work. You like them? Funny.
So, we're in Peckham today, different day. We didn't get to vlog yesterday. We're caught up. So we're in KFC at Peckham. So it's my first time having KFC in London, in the UK. And I must say, it's tasty. It's tasty. It's just like in Jamaica. Unlike America, KFC is not nice. Is that word? So, we're coming from the dentist. We're coming from the dentist. So, just have to have KFC. It's nice. Just like in Jamaica.
Cheaper.
Cheaper?
$1,900.
For the 2 piece, it was 2,000 and I could change. Jamaican.
$1,900.
Because it came on the Jamaican credit card, so their exchange rate is a little bit more. It was £10 for the 2 meals. So, cheaper. It tastes better.
That 1900. I want 250 in a green card.
Two piece? About 1200. About 1300. Sorry? Yeah, about that. So, I'm gonna finish enjoy my meal.
To the main street of Peckham. Sun in the eye.
See guys, sun is shining,
Do you see London hot?
but it's cold. Hot.
It's a place, it's not shine, but it's hot.
It's freezing cold, but at least there's sunshine.
343.
Those are the buses.
Go get it.
Done. Red buses.
Go get this pepper.
They're fresh.
That's machine there. That's machine.
So this is the street of Peckham.
What you don't want to do is you don't want to go to a
Busy.
yeah, come on then.
There you have Primark across the road. That's the KFC where we're at. There's a Tesco, that's the cash machine. That's the white withdrawing cash because we're gonna get ginger.
Them scale and they look
Just pick up one.
like about 10 years now they have them out.
Jesus. So this is where we're gonna get the no, I'm talking to this is where we're gonna get the food. We have yam, scallion, lemon, lime, chili pepper, sweet pepper. Bill, get one. One.
What do you buy that for?
Alright.
Yes, darling, how are you? You good?
For the green one. So go down the line, they have fruits down here.
Anything else?
Everything you want. Everything.
Yeah? Alright, later, yeah? Alright, I'll keep this in for you.
Even mangoes. They have mangoes here. Oranges.
Yes, my love.
Everything. Okra.
Garlic, ginger, and pepper.
Pepper. Onion, everything.
That's it?
Oh.
You want everything on it now?
Eggplant. No, we don't we need anything else. Avocado. Yeah, eggplant. Big plummy tomatoes. Avocados.
Here, yeah.
You know, get the scallion, sir?
Yeah, no, that's good, yeah. Let's go down there.
Alright. So we finish shopping here. Dwight is Mr. Speedy, so finish already. We're gonna take the bus home or we're gonna walk?
Oh my God, the jail.
Oh, so we're gonna walk. It's home. Oh yeah. So again, this is the main street of Peckham.
See, good job, Jack, sometimes.
Yeah.
Glad you get my wallet.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
You're welcome. Yeah, here first.
There's something I want to to get to here, so maybe somebody get it. You want you know? Yeah, but you don't like it. We're not who you're trying to impress. You have Vodafone there. One shop.
You know, me saw.
This is a shoe zone. Boots Pharmacy. Eh?
Oi. Oh, guys.
Mr. Know It All, you know everybody.
Hey.
Hello.
Curtis, yeah.
Nice to meet you. Oh my God! In bed, of course, we better be. We would not walk with the Peckham. So here we meet up with Curtis.
When you touch me, sis?
Oh, 2 weeks left?
2 weeks.
weeks
You
ago.
tell me nothing. It's a
Tomorrow,
friend.
Saturday, come on in 3 weeks.
A friend is, you know.
A
Saturday,
friend.
Yeah, man.
I mean, I tell you
Not a
nothing.
brethren.
So me and Dwight is chit-chatting. We have Holland and Barrett, Greg's, the EE store, that's a phone store. And then we have Poundland going down. So that's Peckham. That's other street going on.